Data analysis is only as good as the data you're working with. Imagine trying to build a house with broken bricks. It sounds impossible, right? That's why data cleaning is so crucial. In this video, we'll explore how to handle missing values, remove duplicates, and transform messy data into clean, reliable data sets. Let's get started. Before we dive into the code, let's understand why data cleaning matters. Real-world data often contains missing values, duplicates, and inconsistencies. Cleaning ensures your analysis is accurate and trustworthy. Whether you're analyzing sales reports, customer feedback, or scientific data, a clean dataset is your foundation for meaningful insights. First up, handling missing data. Missing values can distort your analysis if not addressed. Let's load our dataset from our data file and explore 3 ways to handle missing values. Using data drop and A, we remove rows with missing values. This approach works when the missing data is minimal or irrelevant. Next, data fill NA data, mean numeric only, equals true, fills missing values in numeric columns with the column's mean. This preserves the data while minimizing distortion. Finally, data fill NA method equals fill carries forward the last valid value to fill the gaps. This method is useful for time series data. Next, let's tackle duplicates. Duplicate entries can skew your analysis. Here's how to handle them. With data drop underscore duplicates, we remove duplicate rows in one line of code. Using data duplicated, sum, we can count how many duplicates exist. This ensures your dataset is clean and accurate. Inconsistent formats like mixed date formats or different units can lead to errors in your analysis. Let's standardize them. We use PD2 underscore datetime data, errors equals coerce, to convert all date entries into a consistent format. Invalid dates are replaced with NAT, which stands for not a time. For unit conversions, we create a new column weight underscore kg by multiplying weight underscore lbs with 0.453592 to convert pounds to kilograms. Outliers, extreme values that lie far outside the normal range, can distort your results. Let's use the interquartile range IQR method to handle them. We calculate the IQR as the difference between the 75th and 25th percentiles using Q395 as the measure tool for company Q4. Values outside Q395 IQR or Q3 plus 1.5 IQR are considered outliers. With this logic, we filter the dataset to exclude outliers using a single line of code. Data transformation is the process of reshaping data into a format suitable for analysis. Let's explore 2 common transformations. We use min-max scaler to normalize numerical columns. This scales the data between 0 and 1, making it easier to compare. For categorical data, PD_get underscore dummies creates binary columns for each category, converting text labels into numerical values.
Before we wrap up, if you're eager to master more Python skills, check out the Knowledge Academy's e-learning platform. We offer interactive courses, practical projects, and real-time progress tracking, all at your fingertips. Join our community of learners and get started with courses tailored to your needs. Sign up today and unlock your potential.
And that's a wrap for part 1 of data cleaning and preparation. Today we tackled missing values, duplicates, outliers, and transformations. In the next video, we'll dive into advanced techniques like feature engineering and balancing datasets. If you found this helpful, hit like, subscribe, and click the bell icon so you don't miss part 2. See you next time.